What is up, guys? It's your little ice cube dude here, and today I am back with another video, and I hope you guys aren't melting, and I hope you guys are staying cool and staying chill. So today we will be playing some Dungeon Quest. So as you can see, I'm pretty much a noob, and I just started playing yesterday. So yeah, so we're gonna go on ahead and create a dungeon. Let's try hard, and we'll just wait for people to join. So I'm not that good. I mean, I suck. As you can see, my thingies. Enchanted sword, it kind of sucks. I don't really like it, but I have these armors and stuff. So when I first started off, my cousin Dylan, he helped me, he gave me some stuff, and I wanted to be a swordsman. So yeah, I'm just gonna be a swordsman, and he's a mage. So yeah. So I'm just waiting for people to join in. So I just started yesterday, and that's why I'm just so low. I'm only, oh shit, crap. There, you could have that. Okay, he just gave me some random stuff. Wow, that's actually really good. Thanks for that, my dude. Okay, so I'm just gonna upgrade it. So now I have better health, and that's a good thing. So I'm just waiting for people to join in my thingy thing. So yeah. I'll be right back once some people join, or maybe not. Alright, so one dude decided to join in. I asked him if he wants to join in my dungeon, and he said, sure, why not? So, yeah, I'm starting a game with him. So, I hope this gets, okay, no. I hope this will be good. So, he's not that bad. He's a good player, I think. So, yeah. Come on, my dude. Over here. Okay, so these guys aren't that hard to beat. I mean, come on, just take damage already. Come on, let's do this. Oh crap, I'm dead. Thank God, you saved me. Come on. Okay, the music is annoying, so I'm just gonna turn it off. Okay, so okay, so actually fine, I'll just put it on, because why not? Take care of this. Come on, my dude. Okay, so yeah, he's coming. I see his light. Shit, I actually died. Wow, I just wasted more time. I'm coming. I'm going for these guys. Okay, come on. Okay, so I don't know if we're almost there or not, but yeah, I hope so. Okay. So I'm hoping I will get some good loot after this match. So yeah. Okay. Oh, crap. That was useless. Oh. Okay. Why in the world? Kill him, my dude. Okay, why is there 2 music at a time? Yeet, we did it. Oh! I got the healing thing! Oh, let's go! I got the healing thing. Good job, dude. Good job. Wow, okay. That was really good. I am happy I got the healing thing, whatever it's called. But, yeah. So, I'm just gonna put it on because, yup. Alright. Alrighty. 20 plus. Let's join. Let's go, baby. Actually, wait. It's hardcore. Okay, whatever. Of the healing thing, so. Oh. Shit, your mom. Fine, I'll create one myself. Hard. Come on, join in, my boys. Is that all? I mean, fine, I'll just start. Who cares? So, I'm hoping I get another good thing I can work with. So, yeah. I'm just waiting. Alright. Okay, good. He's a mage. Come on, my dude. Could do this. What are you doing? Oh. What are you doing? That is just dumb. Okay, he does not have that much of a health, so yeah. Dude, seriously. Seriously, we don't need to use that right now. Okay. Come on. What are you doing? That's such a waste. Okay, he got that. Okay. So, we go on ahead. They come over here. Oh shit. Whew. Okay. Okay, we could do this. This is gonna be easy. This one more guy over here. Okay. Hey, help me, my dude. Okay, thank you. Oh crap, I'm on 2 health. Shit. Hey, you know you can swing your little thing too, you know that? Oh wow, come on. Shit, I knew it. I knew that was gonna happen. It's okay, dude. It's okay, I'm coming. Let's go this way. Okay. Alright guys, we made it to the sand giant. We could do this, my dude. Come on, you little peep. We did it! Oh crap, you. Fuck your man. Okay, yay. Oh my god, this guy. Alright guys, this will be the end of this video. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to stay chill, stay cool, and I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys will see me next time. Bye.